Hello, everyone. Welcome back to episode 13 of our Advanced English Speaking course. I'm so excited because today we're moving beyond ordinary vocabulary.
That's right. In the previous episodes, we learned advanced words, collocations, and complex sentence structures. But today, we'll learn expressions that instantly make your English sound more sophisticated.
Native speakers rarely say simple sentences all the time. Instead of saying, "I agree," they often use more nuanced expressions.
Exactly. Advanced speakers focus on precision. They choose words that communicate their thoughts clearly and elegantly.
So today, we'll learn powerful expressions, advanced collocations, and natural conversations that can elevate your English to a completely different level.
And remember, don't just memorize these expressions. Use them repeatedly until they become part of your natural speaking style.
Our first expression is by the same token.
It means for the same reason or in a similar way.
Instead of saying similarly, you can say by the same token.
Listen to this example. Technology has improved communication. By the same token, it has also increased distractions.
Another example, she expects honesty from others. By the same token, she should be honest herself.
Let's have a conversation.
I believe leaders should remain accountable for their decisions.
Absolutely. And by the same token, employees should also take responsibility for their actions.
Notice how professional and natural that sounds? Our second expression is to put things into perspective. It means helping someone understand the true importance or scale of a situation. Example, I was disappointed about failing one test, but talking to my teacher put things into perspective. Another example, traveling abroad can put your problems into perspective.
Conversation time.
I'm worried because I made a small mistake during my presentation.
Put things into perspective. One mistake doesn't define your abilities.
That expression is incredibly useful in everyday life. Next, we have a double-edged sword.
This refers to something that has both advantages and disadvantages.
Social media is a perfect example.
Exactly. Social media is a double-edged sword. It connects people, but it can also waste a lot of time.
Artificial intelligence is another double-edged sword. It can increase productivity, but it also raises ethical concerns.
Let's use it naturally.
Fame may seem attractive.
True, but fame can be a double-edged sword because it often comes with a lack of privacy. The next expression is to jump to conclusions.
This means forming an opinion before knowing all the facts.
Example, don't jump to conclusions just because someone didn't reply to your message.
Maybe they were busy.
Exactly.
Conversation time.
I heard the meeting was canceled.
Don't jump to conclusions. It might simply be postponed. Our next expression is to go the extra mile.
It means doing more than what is expected.
Employers love people who go the extra mile. Teachers appreciate students who go the extra mile. Successful people often achieve remarkable results because they consistently go the extra mile.
Let's practice.
Why did your manager promote you?
Because I was always willing to go the extra mile. The expression "in the long run" means over a long period of time.
Example, studying every day may feel difficult, but it will benefit you in the long run.
Saving money regularly can make a huge difference in the long run.
Small habits often produce extraordinary results in the long run. Next is to bear in mind.
It simply means to remember or consider something carefully.
Example, bear in mind that success rarely happens overnight.
Bear in mind that consistency is more important than motivation.
That's excellent advice for learning English, too.
Our next advanced phrase is to draw a distinction.
It means to show the difference between two things.
Example, it's important to draw a distinction between confidence and arrogance.
Another example, we should draw a clear distinction between facts and opinions.
Advanced speakers use this phrase frequently in discussions and debates.
Another professional expression is to reach a consensus. It means everyone agrees after discussing something. Example, After several meetings, the team finally reached a consensus. Conversation time. Did your group decide on the project topic? Our final expression today is food for thought. It means something that makes you think carefully. Example, that documentary gave me a lot of food for thought. Another example, your question has given me food for thought. Great speakers often leave their audience with food for thought. Welcome back. Let's continue with another expression that native speakers use all the time, to take something for granted. It means not appreciating something because you assume it will always be there. For example, many people take clean drinking water for granted until they experience a shortage. Here's another one. Don't take your parents' support for granted. Let's practice. I never realized how valuable my teachers were until I graduated. That's common. We often take good people for granted without realizing it. Our next expression is to rise to the occasion.
This means performing exceptionally well during a difficult or important situation.
Example, despite being nervous, she rose to the occasion and delivered an outstanding speech.
Another example, great leaders always rise to the occasion during challenging times.
Conversation time.
Were you nervous before your interview?
Very nervous, but I managed to rise to the occasion.
Here's another excellent expression, to leave no stone unturned.
It means making every possible effort to achieve something or find something.
Example, the researchers left no stone unturned in their investigation.
Students preparing for important exams should leave no stone unturned in their revision. Let's use it naturally. How did your team solve such a difficult problem?
We left no stone unturned until we found the best solution.
Our next phrase is to stand your ground.
It means refusing to change your opinion when you believe you're right.
Example, she stood her ground even when everyone disagreed with her.
Confidence doesn't always mean speaking loudly. Sometimes it means standing your ground respectfully.
That's an important lesson for both professional and personal life.
Next is to read between the lines.
This means understanding the hidden meaning instead of just the literal words.
Example, if you read between the lines, you'll realize he wasn't completely satisfied.
Native speakers often communicate indirectly, so this skill is incredibly valuable.
Conversation time.
My manager said, your report is interesting.
Read between the lines. He may be suggesting that it still needs improvement.
Here's a very common business expression, to keep someone in the loop.
It means keeping someone informed about what's happening.
Example, please keep me in the loop regarding any project updates.
Another example, our manager keeps everyone in the loop so there are no misunderstandings.
This expression is to be on the same wavelength.
It means thinking in a similar way or understanding each other perfectly.
Example, Emily and George are always on the same wavelength during these lessons.
Another example, successful teams are usually on the same wavelength.
Our next expression is to call it a day.
It means deciding to stop working because you've done enough.
Example, we've been studying for 6 hours. Let's call it a day.
Working continuously without rest isn't productive. Sometimes calling it a day is the smartest decision.
Tomorrow is our final presentation, and everyone seems anxious.
That's understandable, but this is the perfect opportunity to rise to the occasion.
We've prepared thoroughly and left no stone unturned.
Exactly. Now we just need to stay confident and stand our ground when answering questions.
I hope everyone stays on the same wavelength during the presentation.
Good idea. And let's not jump to conclusions if something unexpected happens.
Absolutely. Every challenge gives us food for thought and helps us improve.
Let's quickly review today's advanced expressions.
By the same token,
Put things into perspective.
a double-edged sword.
Jump to conclusions.
Go the extra mile.
In the long run.
Bear in mind.
Draw a distinction.
Reach a consensus.
Food for thought.
Take something for granted.
Rise to the occasion.
Leave no stone unturned.
Stand your ground.
Read between the lines.
Keep someone in the loop.
be on the same wavelength.
Call it a day.
Fantastic work! You've now learned 18 advanced English expressions that native speakers use naturally in conversations, workplaces, and academic discussions.
The key to mastering these expressions is consistent practice. Try using at least 3 or 4 of them in your conversations this week, and you'll notice your English becoming more fluent and sophisticated.
If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who wants to speak English more confidently.
Thanks for watching episode 13. We'll be back with episode 14, where you'll learn even more advanced vocabulary, collocations, and real-life English conversations to help you sound like a fluent speaker. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next lesson.